Thank you guys for tuning into Simply Dhol, your online resource for Dhol lessons. My name is Manvir, and in this video lesson, we're going to be covering the Sindhi Dhol Rhythm. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to play Dhol, start out by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Full disclosure, I didn't even know what this rhythm was until someone commented under my last video asking me to do some research on it. Like you guys, I'm using this platform to learn more about Dhol myself and the different rhythms that can be played. So thank you Akash Sharma for the suggestion. I learned something new today. Earlier today, I found a Sindhi Dhol instrumental by Bipin Panchal, who I'm guessing is a Dhol player, and try to break down what was being played in that video. I'll put a link to that video in the description box if you guys want to check it out, but I apologize if what I'm playing is incorrect. From what it sounds like, the way that I play this basic rhythm is as follows. Da na da ge na na te na da ge na na da na da ge na na te na da ge na na. I'm going to break this down into two parts so that it's easier to figure out the motions of the sticks. In the first part, da na da ge na na, you want to emphasize the da, and to do this, you want to start with the sticks high so that they come down with some speed. I'll put the following na in parentheses because I feel like it's almost like a ghost note. It feels a rhythm, but it's not played with much emphasis. You can play this na as a tap stroke. It's okay to keep the tili close to the treble head because the following da, ge, and na are played at about a medium height just so that it adds more volume, with the last na being played as an upstroke so that you reset to a high position. This is what it sounds like very slow. Part 2 follows the same pattern as part 1, except you're starting with the thin, which we covered in the last video, and the two are separated by a slight pause. Let's take a look at the whole thing from start to finish, starting with a slow speed and gradually increasing. Once you get this rhythm down, rewind to the beginning of the video where I played different variations and try to sound them out and play along with me. Unfortunately, all good things come to an end, and this is the end of the lesson. But before you guys go, if you found this video useful, make sure you guys hit that like button and please subscribe so that we can all embark on this Dhol learning journey together. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.